Welcome everybody. I'm Mr. Steve and I'm hosting a contest with SKD Sam, who is also on Blender Market and is my collab buddy. We make add-ons together and we want to give you some of those add-ons absolutely for free. Well, I guess it's free. You got to win in the contest. There will be 3 rules and 5 winners. Winner number 5 will get 1 add-on of their choice, doesn't matter the price. Winner number 4 will get 2, and so on. Winner number 3 will get 3, and winner number 2 will get 4 of their choice. And winner number 5 gets 5 add-ons of your absolute choice, whatever you want from my stockpile and or from SKD Sam's stockpile. Now you'll be able to go through SKD's site and pick some of these add-ons if you're the winner, and you can go through my site as well and pick whatever add-ons you want according to what slot you were to win. Now also, one other thing, let me go ahead and pull that up. I'm about to do a post on my community tab, but you guys aren't going to get these posts if you're not subscribed. You have to be a subscriber to be in the contest. Make sure to ring the bell too so you get notifications of not only add-on updates if you picked up add-ons, but cool updates for the Blender 4.2 and up as we progress. I will be getting back into Blender updates as well. All right, 4 basic rules. Rule number 1 is do not go on a Sketchfab or any other site and take someone else's work. You can use it as reference if you want, and that's perfectly fine. Rule number 2 is absolutely have fun doing this. You're gonna get free add-ons if you win. If you don't, you'll get another shot at it. No big deal. Rule number 3, you have to have your submission in by October 20th. That gives you plenty of time to come up with your model. And rule number 4 is you have to be a subscriber from the YouTube channel, because this is designed for people who are actually participating in the channel. And I want to give you guys an interactive platform to kind of show off your work. If you're a beginner, do not be afraid to show your work. And when I first started Blender, I could barely jump into edit mode and inset a cube. That was just the best I could do, and it's no big deal. There's a learning stage, which reminds me, I have a beginner's course, which is based on Blender 3.1, but it's still relevant because it just teaches the interface, and most of the key maps are still the same. In fact, I think like 98% of them. Over 800 people have downloaded it and are very happy with it. So you can jump over and pick up that Blender for Beginners course absolutely free. All right, submission is going to need to be a Suzanne model that is a trophy stand. It can look like anything you want it to. I did a very generic setup here to kind of give you guys an idea. You would want your Suzanne to be, on some type of a platform attached, anything like that. Look up what trophies look like for maybe the Olympics or football or different things, whatever sport from wherever country you're from, and then make the Suzanne like that. Now, how you can make this is very broad. If you sculpt, make it in sculpting. If you're hard surface modeling and you're good at that, make it hard surface modeling, because we're going to be judging not on textures, but on the application of making Suzanne in a very creative way look like a trophy stand. That's really it. Enjoy, guys, and win some add-ons. And if you don't pick up some add-ons this time, not only will I have sales running like I do right now, but Blender Market's going to have a sale coming soon, and I'm going to do more contests like this. And depending on the feedback that I get, we may change up the rules a little bit and make it as inclusive as possible so everybody can join. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to ring the bell on YouTube so you can get alerts via my front page. And I will be sending out alerts on the community tab, so you can go check that out and just participate. Jump in the Discord. There'll be a link. I'll put links up all over the place because they do expire. But get in there, get your submission. Don't get it off Sketchfab. Have fun while you're doing it. Get it in by October 20th, and you got to be one of my subscribers on YouTube. And that's it, guys. Enjoy, and I will see y'all in the comments on Discord.